Hello. Today I want to teach you 5 simple expressions in Igbo language that you will need to introduce yourself. By the time you learn these 5 simple expressions, you will be able to introduce yourself in Igbo language. Okay, so let's go. The first one is Aham bo. Aham bo. So when you hear Aham bo, it means my name is, and then you add your name. So Aham bo Dora. That's my name is Dora. The second one is Abum onye. When you hear Abum onye, it means I am from. That's when you talk about your nationality. You know, in English we have I am a Nigerian. We have a single word for nationality. But in Igbo, we have onye, then the name of the place you come from. So, if you are a Nigerian, you say, Abum onye Nigeria. Abum onye Nigeria. If you are from India, Abum onye India. If you are from America, Abum onye America. So the template is Abum onye, then the name of your place. All right. The third one is Ebim na. So that's to say where you live. Ebim na. Can you say that? Ebim na. Good. Ebim na Lagos. Ebim na Houston. Ebim na California. So wherever you reside, just say Ebim na. Then you give the name of the place. The fourth one is Abum onye. Again, this time around, you're not expressing where you come from. You're expressing your occupation. Abum onye nkuzi. I'm a teacher. So, to express our occupation in Igbo, we say Abum onye, then the name of the occupation. Abum onye ọrụ aka. I am an artisan. Abum onye ọrụ aka. I am an artisan. Abum onye nurse. I'm a nurse. Okay, so Abum onye. Then the fifth one I'm going to give you is Adim afo. That's saying your age. Adim afo. Then you add the number of your years. Adim afo iri ano. I am 40 years. Adim afo ato. I'm 3 years old. Adim afo ise. I am 5 years old. So, you have to learn your numbers. Adim afo iri. I am 10 years. So, no matter your age, you just add a number. So, you have to learn your numbers in Igbo to be able to say this one. Adim afo asa. I am 7 years old. So, with these 5 expressions, I think anywhere you find yourself, you'll be able to express yourself in Igbo language. You'll be able to introduce yourself to people. These are the basic things one will first of all ask about you. All right, so that's how you have it today. Okay. All right, so this is where I'll bring the lesson for today to an end. If you haven't subscribed to our channel, this is the time to do so. Subscribe and share this video with your friends. And here I say, Kodi, Kodi, Kemesia.